Hello and welcome, friends. Today we are exploring the beautiful world of burlap craft, simple, rustic, and creative projects that are not only fun to make but also beneficial for mindfulness and even for small business growth. From wall hanging and wreath, and from table decor to gift ideas, burlap is a versatile material that connects us to mature nature while keeping crafting eco-friendly and budget friendly. So let's dive into the world of creative burlap ideas, craft ideas, and discover how they can bring joy, relaxation, and purpose into our lives. Burlap is more than just a rough fabric, it's made from natural fiber, often jute or hemp, which makes it biodegradable and sustainable. Benefits of using burlap include eco friendliness. It's eco-friendliness, budget-friendly, durability, many more advantages we can gives you the ideas. So it's natural alternative to plastic and synthetic fabrics. Budget-friendly, burlap inexpensive but looks elegant then styled. Durability is strong enough to last yet soft enough to craft with ease. Rustic charm. It instantly gives any project a warm farmhouse inspired look. And the benefits for you as a crafter. Crafter with burlap can be therapeutic because the texture engages your senses. It encourages mindfulness as you focus on cutting, shaping, and decorating with intentions. It also sparks creativity. Since burlap pairs beautifully with lace, ribbons, buttons, paper, and even recycled material. Now let's talk about some amazing creative burlap craft idea you can try. Burlap wall hanging, add stencils, quad, painted flowers, or lace item to make inspiring art pieces. Burlap door raise. Twist burlap spring into ruffles and add dried flowers or paper roses for a personal decoration. Table runner and placement. Place perfect for rustic wedding, family dinner, or festive gathering. Gift bags and pouches. Small burlap pouches tied with ribbon make eco-friendly gift packaging. Burlap and paper craft. Combine burlap with colored or recycled paper to create greeting cards, bookmarks, or handmade journals. Burlap flowers roll and twist strips to burlap into roses or diaries. Daisies perfect for scrapbooking or wreath. Scrapbooking it looks so amazing and so beautiful. So amazing, so beautiful, amazing looks. With burlaps you can make very beautiful ideas. You can create amazing farmhouse rustic look creation. You can embroider on this patchwork. You can embroider this and you can make many beautiful ideas from this creation. So hope you're enjoying these designs and ideas. We are getting so much excited to share with you these amazing ideas and designs. Hope you enjoying these collection and ideas, and we are trying to bring that amazing collection. It's really nice and beautiful. You can recreate bottle, you can recycle bottle craft. It's amazing therapeutic ideas when your mind and hands busy in something. Your heart rate is slowed down and you feel relaxed and feelings amazing. So this creation is really beautiful. Burlap flowers are very beautiful. Storage basket. You can make wrap burlap around cardboard or paper rolls to make decorative baskets for home organization. Home organization. Each of these projects can be done with basic supplies, scissors, glue, a little creativity, and your mindful attention. Mindfulness and crafting. One of the most beautiful parts of crafting is how it connects to mindfulness. When you work with burlap, you focus on texture, pattern, and small details, which calms the mind. You move slowly and intentionally, which help reduce stress and anxiety. The act of creating something from scratch boosts self esteem and confidence. Think of crafting as a form of meditation in action. While some people sit quietly to meditate. Crafters meditate through their hands and creativity. Burlap, being natural and earthy, makes this experience even more grounding. It reminds us to slow down, stay simple, and enjoy the present moment. Beyond relaxation, burlap crafts can also grow into a small business opportunity. Handmade wreath and wall hanging are always in demand on platforms like Etsy, Instagram, or local craft makers. You don't know what you make, you can create something amazing, something creative. Handmade